First off, I want to thank everybody who's taken the time out of their lives to come celebrate Drew and Makenna. And here I go.
Said their wedding is not just the union of two people, but also the joining of families, friends and communities. Looking around the room, it's clear that Makenna and Drew are surrounded by an incredible circle of love.
You know, I've never always been there for you. You know that. I've been a long way away. You've always been here in my heart. All the things you've ever done in your life, you're such a gorgeous person. And I couldn't be more proud of you, I tell you. I love you to pieces.
Standing here today, I can confidently say that falling in love with you is the most incredible experience of my life. When we first met, you told me the one thing you wanted most was consistency. At the time, I didn't realize how much I needed that too. You didn't just want consistency, you became it. You became the steady hand I reach for and the person who shows up for me every single day.
I never could have imagined that a silly date during the pandemic at El Pres would lead to this. But somehow margaritas and chips with cheese set the table for a lifelong relationship between you and me. I wouldn't change a thing because every road, no matter how unexpected, led me to you. And for that, I'll always be grateful.
Everyone might have thought that after my first week of meeting Drew, when I said, when are you going to propose to my sister? He might have thought I was just messing with him, but I think it's just because I have good taste and I knew it was the right fit.
I've never told you this, but I think I knew from the day I saw her. Shoot, could be the one.
Now 4.5 years later, here we are. Drew, I am so glad Makenna found such a wonderful man to share her life with. You are patient and kind, and I know how much you love our daughter. I trust that you will always have each other's back.
Good Lord. Oh.
You've taught me how to be more patient, more calm, and more present. You bring the best version of me just by being you.
In these moments between laughter and gentle surprises, that the true nature of their bond is revealed. Their relationship thrives on an exquisite balance. Makenna's high energy, heartfelt playfulness meets Andrew's calm, laid-back spirit in a dance of mutual understanding and respect.
About 6 months ago, I came to the inn after work and I sat by the big tree out front and tried to picture this day. What it would feel like, how beautiful you'd look, how much love I'd feel. And standing here now, I'm feeling all of it. I'm happy, nervous, excited, and overwhelmed in the best way because I get to marry the most amazing woman I've ever known.
Nothing makes my heart happier than seeing the love and affection in my son's eyes when he looks at this beautiful, kind-spirited woman.
These are the hands that will hold your family as one. These are the hands that will give you strength. And these are the hands that even when wrinkled and aged, will be reaching for yours, still giving you the same unspoken tenderness with just a touch.
When I told Makenna I would probably cry, she smiled and said, "That's good. It shows you care." And she's right. We care. We care about the love and happiness these two have shared for the past 4 years. We care about the growth we've seen in our son since Makenna came into his life. We care about the new family members we've gained who are now a welcome and treasured part of our lives. And as long as Drew and Makenna continue to care about what truly matters in everlasting love, they will flourish.
Don't you cry. Don't you cry.
Do you, Andrew, take Makenna to be your lawfully wedded wife, your constant friend, and your partner in the adventures that life has in store for you? I do. Do you, Makenna, take Andrew to be your lawfully wedded husband, your constant friend, and partner in all the adventures that life has in store for you?
I do.
Then with the power vested in me by the state of California, I now pronounce you husband and wife. You may now kiss the bride. It is my honor to present to you for the first time Mr. and Mrs. Schultz.
I love you. You're my fucking wife now.
You're a wife.